Hi guys, what are you still doing here? Why aren't the machines packed for the exhibition yet?
Benjamin, calm down, it's Christmas time. Forum next exhibition is in November next year. Look, I'm just finishing my Christmas tree decoration that Slavko printed out.
Wow, they look great. After some precise blasting, they will shine in your living room. What do we have here?
I'm testing this beauty out.
Darko, our partners are asking me how are Addiblast machines performing.
They are f***ing great.
Guys, you have done a really great job, and I'm looking forward to future development on this segment. Darko, tell our partners more about the projects we are preparing. I have a flight to catch.
Where is he going?